to join multiple objects together in the best way possible and make them organically stitched, one way is to join them, but with Ctrl and J. But in this way, you can move them. In fact, it's layer combined. To combine them in the right way with topology, I use four modifiers. First, I separate my objects with P and balance parts to have 3 objects again separately in the layers. I select them, the 3, and I hit Ctrl plus. And now I have a union modifier and apply them. Modifiers, okay. Then I remesh them. Remesh modifier, okay. In smooth type. Then unchecked the remove disconnected options, and now I will change the depth value. Try to max it with 10 because it decreases the resolution. Okay, apply them. Apply the modifier. Now I will add the smooth corrective. Set the factor to 1 and then increase the repeat value. And enable the only smooth option. I will increase it. Okay. I am happy with this. I apply the modifier. And if you see my resolution is too high, so I will use the decimate modifier to increase the resolution, but not to damage my mesh. I will try 0.05. Okay. I'm happy with this. I apply the modifier. And smooth it. Okay. And now I connected my 3 meshes.